As families can attest, caring for a person experiencing memory loss can be equal parts frustrating and fulfilling.
Memory care is a hyper-specialized form of care that one can receive in assisted living facilities. You want the patient to be engaged as much as possible in the activities and to be interacting with a well-trained staff. A lot of places are able to manage some patients with memory problems in general assisted living, but there still is a strong need for a higher level of care for many patients that have memory problems.
Whether for an afternoon, a weekend, or as a long-term solution, the Beacon neighborhood at Benton House serves as a support option for many families.
My mother, Bertha Davis, is a resident with the Beacon community. We had her in a home next door to our home, my husband and I, and we have 2 children. And so we cared for her on our own. We tried to make her life as independent as possible. And then we started to see there was a need that someone needed to be with her more often. The Benton House positive changes for our family and my mother. I just feel like she finally has some purpose than living in a home by herself.
Bright and beautiful, the Beacon neighborhood offers the same great assisted living services, but also features an innovative design developed with passion and purpose.
Design of their memory units is arguably one of the best in the whole city of Atlanta, if not in the country. So the size of the unit not being too big is very important. The design of the unit, which really minimizes social isolation and enhances social interaction, is very important.
Our Beacon neighborhood is designed with openness so that there's very little confusion. Residents don't have as much difficulty with freedom of movement. They have absolute access to the outside, so they still have quite a bit of independence.
Number of people that you have in a memory care unit is real important. If you have too many folks that the small amount of people are looking after, you can't really do it adequately. So we really strive at Benton House to keep that ratio of caregiver to resident at a relatively small number so that everyone gets some personal attention.
Familiar routines can be reassuring to those experiencing memory loss.
Things that they've done in their life, maybe you have someone that was a homemaker. For someone to get warm towels out of the dryer and to fold those, something we do routinely every day, but it can bring value to their life, like they're contributing.
But as the saying goes, variety is the spice of life. Our community seeks to blend both of these desires through our daily life schedule.
I think some of their favorite activities is anything having to do with music. So we try to bring in different groups that'll come in and sing. That seems to help them entertain, plus they can get up and sing and dance with them.
And the main thing is working from your heart and actually, getting to know them, taking the time. And that's why I'm here working.
Serving persons experiencing memory loss takes a trained hand and a servant's heart. The team at Beacon is ready to serve.
Before a staff member starts working at the Benton House, they have to be educated with the training tools and programs that have been selected by the Benton House and management. And they selected programs which I thought were some of the best in the country.
To learn more about the Beacon neighborhood at Benton House or to discuss your specific needs, contact Benton House today.
My father's care has been, I would say, almost as good as I could give him in my own home.
Unique design, wonderful daily life, and caring staff. Discover for yourself what makes Benton House unique. Call today.